Hi, I'm John Lorenz for Canon USA. Since its introduction, the Canon EOS M50 camera has been one of Canon's best-selling mirrorless models. Its combination of a compact, elegant design, an excellent electronic viewfinder, and still image and video capabilities have made it a great fit for many customers. I'm delighted to announce a new version, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Beginning with the excellence of the current EOS M50, the M50 Mark II adds new AF capabilities in eye detection and in video AF performance, new video features, and a host of additional refinements. But its heart, a 24.1 million pixel CMOS image sensor, 4K video, vari-angle LCD with touch panel, and shooting speeds up to 10 frames per second remain intact. More than ever, customers expect strong autofocus performance, and that means face and eye detection capability. In the new EOS M50 Mark II, eye detection AF improvements allow swift AF on faces and eyes from much farther from the camera and much smaller in the viewfinder. Both face and eye detection AF now fully function during servo AF. Eye detection AF is now also possible during video with movie servo AF when recording moving subjects. And eye detection is also much more responsive. You'll see the AF frame follow detected faces and eyes more effectively, even for fast-moving subjects. The EOS M50 has always been a great choice for content creators, but the EOS M50 Mark II will provide even more. Vertical video is convenient for making Instagram stories or any vertical video content for social media. For vloggers, a newly added movie record button on the LCD screen paired with a countdown self-timer gives you an even better vlogging experience. If you're a streamer, the EOS Webcam utility software can be utilized for an easy-to-use plug-and-play webcam alternative. For advanced streamers, the EOS M50 Mark II offers clean HDMI output. In addition, for users with a YouTube Live account, it's possible to use the EOS M50 Mark II to wirelessly live stream with no laptop required. The brilliant design of the first EOS M50 meant little needed changing. With the EOS M50 Mark II, refinements and improvements to its AF and numerous other areas, along with image.canon compatibility to easily upload and store your content, are features that still and video users can experience every time they use the camera. For Canon USA, I'm John Lorenz.